tell me what's going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the engine size. Is this a gas or a diesel engine?
Diesel.
All right, perfect. So what's going on?
No heat.
Okay, and is
It
this,
still blows the same, but no heat.
and how long
It
is it?
blows a little bit harder when it's on cold. That's about the only difference. I tried changing the fuses for the blower motor and the supplementary heater,
Mm-hmm.
and that didn't change anything. So the fuse is still good.
Okay. And your question to me is what could be causing this? Is that right?
Yes.
Gotcha.
I've seen a bunch of videos about the blend door.
Mm-hmm.
I passed heat. That seems to be working fine. When I go from hot to cold, it moves as it should. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong with that.
Have you checked the coolant level?
The coolant level's good.
Okay. Have you checked the temperature of the heater hoses?
No.
And so basically what we want to do is we want to make sure that the hot coolant from the engine is getting into the heater core.
And that would be under the hood?
Yes, sir. But you're going to have to wait till the engine warms up, and then you're going to check the heater core hoses.
Yeah, the engine was fairly warm already because I just went for a drive.
Okay.
It's still warm underneath here. Still right underneath my plug-in.
The two hoses will go to the firewall.
Yeah, on the passenger side?
Possibly.
I got a cool hose going in. It's hot. The one coming out seems to be cold.
Okay. The reason being is because the heater core does go bad. It basically can plug up, and a restricted heater core is common on this vehicle. This is what it says. So 2018 F350 Super Duty 6.7 diesel. There's poor heat. Actually, a classic sign of when, because that's what it says in my library here. As soon as the engine is revved up, the heat is good. And this particular one, it's a restricted heater core. So I think that's what's going on, my friend.
Awesome. And that's probably a real easy fix. You got to tear the whole dashboard to get out of.
They should have it done in about half hour. Now, let me take a look here.
Yeah.
Let me take a look, see how much it calls for.
Yeah. It'll take you longer than a half hour to tear the dashboard to get out of.
Yeah, it's a lot on this one.
And I'm guessing that's probably my problem. If my bottom hose is hot.
10.5 hours. Wow.
Yeah, awesome.
Additional labor times. R&R heater hose. Both heater hoses add an additional 1.3. Both. One says 1.3, one says 1.7 for whatever reason. So maybe you don't have to go that route, but you're looking about 10 and a half at 11 hours or so to remove and replace that. Just in labor alone to replace a heater core. The good news is the heater core is only $120.
Yeah.
MSRP 120.36.
So you're $1,500 in labor to replace a $120 part.
I know.
Sickening.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, that's probably the issue then. I thank you very much.
All right, my friend, you're welcome. Good luck, okay?
Thanks.
All right, you bet. Bye-bye.